Hello friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to talk about Boxer engines. How the name Boxer engine came from. It is because the arrangement of the piston is in the horizontal plane and it is moving in the reciprocating motion, which is similar to the punching of a boxer. The Subaru Impreza STI WRX uses a 4-cylinder Boxer engine. To know the advantages and disadvantages of the same, we have to compare it with an inline 4-cylinder engine. So first we are going to compare the inline 4-cylinder with a 4-cylinder flat engine. If you look at the firing order of an inline 4-cylinder engine, it is commonly used as 1, 3, 4, 2. First, the first cylinder will be fired, then the third cylinder, then the last cylinder, then the second cylinder. But in the 4-cylinder Boxer engine, the last two firing order will be swapped, because the final firing order used in Boxer 4-cylinder engine is 1, 3, 2, 4. The third cylinder will be fired secondly, and the second cylinder will be fired thirdly, and the last cylinder will be fired last. The unbalanced force in a reciprocating internal combustion have a great influence in the size of the engine. If we don't have that much unbalance in the engine, we doesn't need to use any balancing shaft which are heavier and which will help us to reduce the size of the engine, and we can build a compact engine, and it will be more reliable and more balanced and better NVH than what we get. Talking about the balancing of a reciprocating internal combustion engine, we have to talk about the primary unbalanced force and the secondary unbalanced force as well. If you are considering the primary unbalanced force, which have a higher magnitude at an angle of 0 degree and 180 degree. So the primary unbalanced force will dominate in a direction that is in the plane of the piston. And in an inline 4-cylinder engine, if two pistons are in the top dead center, the other will be in the bottom dead center. So the force direction will be opposite to each other and they are of equal magnitude. So these two unbalanced force which are primary will get balanced due to the force will getting cancelled out because they are in equal magnitude and they will be acting in an opposite direction. So the primary force will be balanced. Talking about a flat 4 configuration, where the cylinder banks are displaced by an angle 180 degree. So two cylinder will be in one direction and the other will be in the opposite direction. So in this case there will be also a balanced primary force because two cylinders will be in the direction that is opposite and they will have an equal magnitude. So here as well the primary force will be cancelled out and we will get a balanced primary force. In case of secondary unbalanced force, if we talk about the secondary unbalance, there will be high magnitude at an angle 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree and 270 degree as well. The oppositely arranged cylinder banks of a flat 4-cylinder engine will help to get rid of the secondary unbalanced force, but the case is get worse in an inline 4-cylinder engine because it is in a single cylinder bank and the secondary unbalanced force will be in a single direction. So we have to fit an additional balancing shaft for get rid of this secondary unbalanced force in an inline 4-cylinder engine. So the engine will add more weight. But there is a bad effect in a 4-cylinder flat engine. It is because the misalignment of the piston arrangement which will lead to a rocking moment in the engine. So there will be an NVH problem which is additional to the even balanced secondary force. We can avoid the situation of this rocking moment if we add 2 more cylinders. If we add 2 more cylinders, we will get a flat 6-cylinder engine. So who is the big daddy of cars using a flat 6 Boxer engine? His name is Porsche 911 and I'm damn sure that I don't need to give an introduction about him. Flat 6 configuration have balanced secondary force, balanced primary force as well as balanced rocking moment. Coming to the inline and V configuration, the center of gravity of the Boxer engine and which is the flat engines will be very low, so we will get a more agile car chassis weight distribution. So the car weight will be with a lower center of gravity and we can easily give more handling and we can use a more softer suspension which will provide better dynamic driving experience. Similar to the V engine configuration, if we are using double overhead camshaft, we have to use 4 different camshafts for operating the valves in the separate cylinder banks. So it will give more costly maintenance of the vehicle. But I don't think a guy buying Porsche will get bothered about the maintenance cost. Compared to inline four-cylinder engine, the flat four will take more room in the engine compartment if we choose a front engine front-wheel drive configuration, which is bad for Subaru Impreza. But the Porsche is using a rear engine configuration which doesn't have that much bad effect. So this is why the Porsche 911 gives immense pleasure of driving. So if you love this video, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get updated in the automotive industry. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day and bye.